Good morning, guys. Hope you have a wonderful start for the day. Let's start with brightening up the kitchen with some beautiful red leaves from my garden. Here, I'm rinsing the soybeans that I soaked overnight from 6 to 8 hours. Divide the soybeans into 3 equal amounts so it's easier for the blender to do its job. Use 1 liter of water for each blending round. Pour the mixture through a cheesecloth. Squeeze hard to extract all liquid. Cook the soy milk over medium heat. Skim off any foam. Bring to a boil, then simmer on low heat for 5 minutes. Your soy milk is ready. You just need to wait for it to cool down and add some ice. You can also use the soy milk to replace cow milk in cooking and baking. If you want to make the silken tofu, dissolve the grape sugar into water right before the soy milk finishes boiling. Pour the mixture into the hot soy milk pot and cover it with the lid. Let it sit undisturbed for 30 minutes, and here we go, the silken tofu. Add in some ginger, sugar, caramel, and then you'll have a very healthy snack at lunch. You can also make hard tofu by pouring the mixture into a wooden mold box. So for dinner tonight, we're gonna have tofu miso soup with some local spinach. Everyone in my family loves tofu, so it makes me feel very happy that I'm cooking a healthy meal for all of them. Thanks for watching, guys, and please take care.